Welcome to the demonstration on how to set up BonAcc when you use it for the first time. This will enable you to set up your account to suit your business needs. When you click on the icon, you come to a logon page. The first time you log in, you'll need to configure the key file we have sent you. The key file is part of the security process we use. Load the key file by finding it where you've stored it on your computer and open it up. A pop-up will tell you it has been set up correctly, and then you can log in. In subsequent logins, you will just click OK to log in. The first thing to do is to add the accounts that your business uses. Every new business will be set up with a petty cash account and a personal fund account for sole traders and partnerships, or a director's loan account for each director of a limited company. To add an account being an account that has money transactions in it, you will need to set them up. For example, you have a current account. We suggest you name it and enter the opening balance. The opening balance is the bank statement balance on the first day of the accounting year. The opening balance should be the one on your bank statements, and even if you believe a transaction after that opening date was included in the previous year's accounts, simply input it again, as the accountant will be making these adjustments when he receives the previous year's information from your old accountant. You may need to set up several accounts, perhaps a deposit account. Other accounts can be set up for each individual loan, hire purchase agreement, credit card, till, private bank account that pays bills, and so on. If your opening balance is overdrawn in the bank, or you have a loan or an account where you owe money, like a monthly credit card statement, it's very important the opening balance is input as a negative number. When dealing with a loan or hire purchase agreement, you may be unsure of the exact balance. If this is the case, leave the opening balance as nil, and we will input the correct balance when we receive the information from your previous accountant. You can only enter an opening balance when you are setting up accounts for the first time. After the accountant has received and input the previous year's information, you can still add accounts but cannot then input opening balances. You can also add sales and purchase categories at any time. You will have a list of available activity categories, and you may want to refer to this before setting up new categories so that you avoid duplications. In this example, we will set up new categories for EU sales and EU purchases. As the additional reporting requirements for EU VAT would make it easier if all EU transactions were under one activity. When you have finished, you will see all the accounts that you've set up on the statement page. You are now ready to start inputting. Please view our other short training videos.